welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, it's gonna be really different because I never do makeup related videos on here until now, child. So as promised to a subscriber, here is my everyday makeup routine, but the drugstore version. If you guys want a high-end version, just let me know because I could definitely do that for you guys. But the most expensive product that I have is this concealer for $23. I think, child, why is this $32? I think honestly, invest in a good concealer, and that's just all I have to say on that until you guys see the video. This is the finished look. If you like this look, just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. And don't forget to follow on Instagram at She's Your Fave. Let's just jump into this video. I need to put this down because Morphe not sponsor me, so I don't know why I open out a video line. Sure. And don't come for me at how I do my eyebrows. Literally, I freestyle every time until I get it how I want it, and shh, just watch. Stop talking. Gonna be using this primer from e.l.f. It is their hydrating face primer. It retails for $6 at Ulta. Okay, so I've never used it before. I've never used this before. I don't know what to expect, but my skin has been really dry. I'm gonna just let this sit a little bit because I don't know what it's supposed to do. So I've never used this foundation before. It is L'Oreal True Match. It would go more with my neck than my face, and I generally like when my foundation is darker because my concealer will literally just lighten it up. So that's the amount that I'm going to use. So I'm gonna use my finger to just dot this all over my skin in dots. And then, as you can clearly see, this stuff is really dark. Now we're gonna take this Real Technique sponge. I haven't used one of these in so long. Like, your girl been using the beauty blender, but the beauty blender is $20 too much. Okay, Pooh, $20 too much. So like you guys see in a stippling motion, I guess, but this would be a patting or tapping motion. I'm just moving the product around carefully, lightly. I'm not swiping, I'm not joke, I'm just pat lightly, okay? So I'm gonna go back in with my Pat McGrath and I'm gonna just do dots of concealer. I like it better this way. I don't like to swipe it. Just, you know, pat where you need it. Less is more, and this is literally how you save product. Like, if you want to do like super full coverage, that's up to you, but like when I use not so much of my products, it does look full coverage to me. So follow me and you can't go wrong at this point. And now that I have this on my face, I'm gonna just leave it to set a bit, and I'm gonna go in with my contour shade. Y'all see what this is. This is what it is, and it's in the shade Suede Mocha. I'm using this Morphe brush in M173. It looks like this. It's really like a mini contour brush. Yeah, not contour, mini highlight brush. I like it because it blends your products pretty well. So yeah, gonna just go in with the light contour on my nose. Not gonna do too much because honestly I am not the makeup queen. I just know how to do like a really nice basic face. Feel me? Yeah. Now that we're through with that, I'm gonna go in with the other side that's actually clean. Get into it. So I do bring my highlight down, not all the way down, but I do bring it down to some extent. And look at how the face is just brightening up so far. Like I said, less is more, and even though this foundation was as dark as my neck, it's blending out and it's coming together to me. Whatever you do, invest in a good concealer, because that's what you pretty much use more of, and that's what really gives you flashback. So invest in a really good concealer. I really love this concealer. It is everything. So we're using Sasha in Buttercup. It's the setting powder in Buttercup. I'm gonna just rest it under the eye. I don't want to go in with too much and be too extra, so I'm gonna, you know, flash it off and just go up right under my eye. This is their M520 or M523 brush, and I'm gonna go back in with the black opal, stipple it in just like that, just to get a little bit of product, not too much. Wipe it off just to see like how much it will give you. Go back in if you think you need some more. I got the double pack of these. This one is for like foundation and this one is for like powder, so liquids and powders. I'm gonna see how this works. L'Oreal True Match powder in Soft Sable C6. It's a cool one as well, and let's just, it picks powder up, it picks powder up, sweetheart. Now I'm gonna just define the contour a bit by just going in and creating somewhat of a line going that way. So is it showing? I think so. Child, let me use some more. I hope I don't look like crazy. Okay, I think it's working. Oh yeah, it's definitely working. I'm still patting it in the product, and now I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna do my under eye. So I don't dust off my under eye product, I just pack powder on top of it. So that's what I'm doing now. So instead of having my face like super duper light like you can see on this side, I just go in with my powder just so everything can be like almost neutral but not really. So this is a product that I'm completely new to. I really like it because it just looks not bronzy, but it's like super duper warm and pink, and I like that. It's my first time using blush, y'all. Pray for me. Okay, we like her. It's giving a nice rosy highlight. Yeah, I really like her. Before I use the highlighter, let me go in with my Mario Badescu. So I use this rose water to just pretty much set my face in all together. So I take it and I wet my sponge a lot, like wet my sponge, and I'm gonna go in, squeeze it so that the product is actually inside of it, and I'm gonna just pat all over my face. And this is just to make sure that all my products have actually been blended together. I'm gonna be using this product here. It's from the crayon case. I got it on a Black Friday sale, but I'm pretty sure her products are really not so expensive. Right there on the highest point of the cheekbone. This may seem like a lot of product, but I am gonna go back in with my powder for the one time while my face is like a little damp from that pat down that I gave it, and I'm gonna go under my eyes just to give myself a blur effect. So I'm using this Nicka K Vitamin E lip gel in bubblegum. Like, I love this. So my friend, she sells lip glosses. It is in the color Please Me, and this is her brand. I will leave it in the description box, our website, so you could get this. It's like this really mauvey color, and it's not like a solid color, it's more like a light gloss or a light pigment in gloss. So that's what I use at the center of my lips. Cause y'all always ask me for a lip combo, so here it is. If there's something new that I did that you've never seen someone else do before, let me know in the comments down below. If there's a makeup tip that you'd like me to try, leave it down below and we'll keep conversation, sis. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really in-depth, but I love talking to y'all, so yes, sweetheart. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at She's Your Fave, and without further ado, I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.